Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9, area of plane figures. In that, the area of a circular path. Area of a circular path or ring. Area of a ring. Then how to find the area of a circular path or area of a ring? See, the question is given like this. Find the area of a shaded region in the figure given below. We know in a ground, if you see in general life, in a ground, separately the particular space for walking purpose, they will the circular, like this circular path is there. The purpose of walking, they will arrange like this road or the way track like this. Then how to find the particular the area of the circular path or this track? See here, what I am doing, you try to observe here how many circles are there? 2 circles. This is the center of the circle. This is the smaller circle and this is the larger circle. These circles are the concentric circles. Which circles, Nana? These circles are the concentric circles. Because of the circles having the same center but different radii. So this is the smaller circle, the center is same only. And this is the larger circle, the center is same only. A circles with the same center but different radii are called concentric circles. See here, the first smaller circle radius is 4 centimeter and larger circle radius is 10 centimeter. Now coming to the solution, area of a circle. Area of a circle is equals to, we know that is what, Nana? Pi r square. Pi r square. What I am taking, the radius of a smaller circle. The radius of a smaller circle is equals to, that is what, r, that is equals to given 4 centimeter, and the radius of a larger circle, that is capital R. I am taking what, Nana? The radius of a smaller circle, small r, is equals to 4 centimeter. The radius of a larger circle, that is capital R, is equals to 10 centimeters. If we want the circular path, ఈ షేడెడ్ పార్ట్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ షేడెడ్ పార్ట్ ఏరియా కావాలి అంటే దెన్ we can find the area of a bigger circle, అంటే the area of a larger circle minus the area of a smaller circle. అంటే బిగ్గర్ సర్కిల్ ఏరియా నుంచి స్మాలర్ సర్కిల్ ఏరియాని మైనస్ చేస్తే we get what, Nana? That is the shaded region. అంటే సింప్లీ లైక్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఆ పాత్ యొక్క ఏరియా అనేది మనకు వస్తుంది. See here, what I am doing, area of a shaded region, that is equals to area of a larger circle, minus area of a smaller circle, means you see, Nana, the particular region, area of a larger circle means the with radius capital R, that is what, Nana? Pi r square. Area of a circle means what, Nana? That is pi r square, na. So the larger circle की radius capital R, that's why pi r square minus the smaller circle. Area of a smaller circle means with radius small r, that is what na pi r square. In these both ఈ రెండిట్లో మనకి కామన్ గా ఏముంది ఇక్కడ pi pi కామన్ ఉంది. yes, that's why what I am doing, I want to take out the common pi. pi ని నేను కామన్ తీస్తున్నా. then here we get that is r square minus r square, r square minus r square, because of here pi is there, here pi is there. pi ni common తీస్తే r square minus r square వస్తుంది. now pi of r square minus r square, you try to remember one of the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to, that is a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no student? We discussed in previous class one of the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Then r square minus r square, capital R square minus small r square means we can write it as r plus r into r minus r. Okay, in the problem is given the value of pi is, you use 3.14. we know that approximate decimal value of pi is 3.14 and the fractional value is 22/7. pi value means we consider a fractional value, pi value is 22/7, its decimal value is approximate, we don't know the exact value, approximate value is 3.14. in given question they given like this, use 3.14 of r, capital R ante what is the capital R nana, that is 10. so 10 plus small r means what, that is 4. okay, next here capital R means that is 10 minus small r means that is 4. then 3.14 of 10 plus 4 means that is 14. 10 minus 4 means that is what, 6. then 3.14 into, see here ఇలా బ్రాకెట్స్ ఉంటే వాటినైనా ఆఫ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇంటూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, సో 16 4s are 4 16s are, that is what nana, we get 84. 16 4s are what, we get 84. now you multiply 3.14 into 84, 3.14 into 84, you will get a required answer. 3.14 into 84, 4 4s are 16, 6 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 that is 5, 4 3s are 12. next with 8, 8 4s are 32, 2 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3 that is 11, 1 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. then we get 6 7 3 6 2. here point after two decimal places are there, that's why 1 2 two numbers after you keep a point, means we get the area, that is 263.76. what are the units? the units are given what nana, area is always square units, then the units are given centimeters, so that's why area is always square centimeters. so therefore we can say the area of a shaded region, the area of a shaded region is equals to what nana, that is 263.76 square centimeters. okay students, now one more question, find the area of a shaded region in the given figure. the figure is given clearly, this is what nana, the figure is a square. yes or no, this is what, square, because of in a square all sides are equal in length and each angle measures 90 degrees, the diagonals also equal, so we do have a previous knowledge on square. now observe here, In that interior part, the circle is there, Nana? Yes. So find the shaded region. Find the shaded region. So clearly the corners are shaded here. Yes. Then how to find the area of a shaded part? Means first of all we have to find the area of a square. Then after inside circle is there now. Then from area of a square నుంచి area of a circle ని మైనస్ చేస్తే మిగిలిపోయేది ఈ షేడెడ్ పార్టే కదమ్మా. సో దట్స్ వై వాట్ ఐ యామ్ డూయింగ్ హియర్, area of a shaded part, area of a shaded region is equals to area of a square minus area of a circle. Okay, now you try to observe everyone what I am doing here. First of all, I am finding area of a square. Area of a square. Area of a square means that is equals to what? Side into side. Side into side. Area is always square units. What is the given side here? A square with side 21 centimeter. 21 centimeters. Or you can take meters means meters, centimeters means centimeters. So side of a square is 21 centimeter. Then its area is equals to 21 into 21. Units are meters. That's why square meters. 21 into 21 means what? That is 441. 21 into 21 means what? That is 441. Now we want the area of a circle, but you try to observe here. If we want to find the area of a circle, we want the radius. Because of area of a circle means we use the formula pi r square. Here r stands for what, Nana? R stands for, that is radius. But in this given circle, radius is given, not given. So that's why what I am doing here, the side of a square I am taking here. This is what, Nana? Center of a circle. The side of a square is 21 meters. Then if I am drawing the diameter of a circle, this is called what? Diameter of a circle. The diameter of a circle is equal to side of a square. You can write like this. Yes, diameter of a circle is equals to side of a square. Okay, is it clear? The diameter of a circle is equal to what, Nana? Side of a square. Means we can write here, then diameter is equals to 21 meters. Diameter is equals to, d is equals to what, Nana? 21 meters. For finding the area of a circle, we want what? That is r value, radius kavali. So that's why we know radius is equals to 2 radius is equals to, that is diameter. 2 radius is equals to, that is diameter. Then radius is equals to diameter by 2, means that is 21 by 2 meters. So by using this one, I am going to find the area. See here, area of a circle. Area of a circle is equals to, that is pi r square. Means pi means the value, that is 22 by 7 into area r. R means what? We use r value 21 by 2, means r square means 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Units are meters, so that's why square meters. So by using 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. By using 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So I am multiplying 11 into 3, that is 33 into 21. Okay, by 2. 33 into 21 means we get what now? 33 into 21. 33 into 21. 1 33s are 33. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. That is 396. We get a 693 by 2. By cancelling 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది. Beside number is 3 means 13. 2 6 are 12.5 means we get 346.5. That is the area of a circle. But what we get? The area of a square. Area of a square is 441. Now what I am doing? If you want the area of a shaded region, area of a square, that is 441 square meter minus area of a circle means that is what? 346.5 square meters. By doing subtraction, 441 minus 346.5. Take here 0.0. Taking borrow 10 minus 5 5. This is becomes 0. Again take borrow 10 minus 6 4. Here 3. Again take borrow 13 minus 4, that is 9. Here 3 means we get a 94.5 square meters. So the area of the shaded part in the given figure, that is what, Nana? 94.5 square meters. We cannot find directly by using the formula. What we did here, first of all, the area of a square with the given side, finding the area of a square. Afterwards, the side of a square will act as a diameter of a circle. We know radius is equals to, that is diameter by 2. Then using the area of a circle formula, find it like this. Afterwards, area of a square minus area of a circle means we get the area of a shaded part. So we can find like this the area of the particular shaded regions. Thank you.